Hello guys, back again with me, Sehat dan Kuat. Today I'm gonna use my 150 ruby to buy Ranco costume, okay? And we'll test the costume on Ranco with a solo portes costume. Okay, let's get started. This is a Ranco costume, looky cat sweet. Gonna buy this with my Rabi. Alright, buy it. Okay, done. And let's equip this costume on my Ranco.
Di type custom for my Ranco. Instead, this one.
Okay.
Let's
show her costume. Alright, this one. And this one. Okay. Ranco become like this. He's become more cute, I think. It's like a cat ears on her ear. Okay. Okay, let's bring her to battle.
ここらで一丁勝負
This is the favorite place for solo portes. Where is that Ranco? This one.
今日の私はついてるよ
Gonna test Ranco with her costume. Using 150 ruby, as you can see.
Ya! 五行両乱命かかやここらで一丁勝負 ここらで一丁勝負
Alright. Because this Ranco is a quick unit and not the strong one. So tanking the front unit. Okay guys, I think that's all for buying Ranco costume and use the costume for solo portes. I hope you enjoy it, If you have any question about this game, you can comment on every my video. Thanks for watching my video, keep support me, and see you again in next video.